Hey, how's it going, YouTube? We are printing another figurine, the D&D figurines, Dungeons and Dragons. And this time, this file came in 4 different, let me open it up here, 4 different files. It's actually about 8, but I was wondering, you got the jaw, the skull, the base, and the spine. And I thought, can I print 4 at the same time? I threw it and opened up each file individually, and it snapped it to different locations. And I hit print, it pulled up, there's the light blue, that's going to be our helpers, pulled that up, and I pressed print and it started printing. We are printing 4 different pieces at the same time, guys. So yeah, this FLSUN, however you want to say it, I still don't know yet. That's what I'm going to call it. This thing's amazing that we can do that. So we got the jaw, the skull, the base plate, and the spine here. 4 pieces at the same time. This is incredible. So once I get it together, I'll throw it on the video of what we end up. This is called the white dragon skeleton. So that turned out pretty cool. I like that. Not sure why they call it a dragon. Looks more like a worm. I don't know. Maybe it's a dragon neck and a skull. But there's another one for you guys. Look at them teeth. Them teeth look wicked. Awesome. Let's pull some of that spider webbing out of there. No big deal. Alright guys, thanks for watching.